welcome to the Adrianster channel. Today, it's a little different because I'm going Hot Wheels back again. So, here it is, the Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet. New casting from 2025. Just got it in right now because I'm in Asia. We have a delay over the releases in the US. And, basically, it came out last week and I've got it this week. Retail, so pretty nice. I found free. I took the free because I'm planning on making some modifications to it, and I just want to keep one in a card because I really love this car in real life. It's a shame the color is Bordeaux, but in a weird Bordeaux. It's not really Bordeaux, and the interior is pink. Some things that I'm not so excited about. Same for the rims. It's the new rims that they've have on these 2025 cars. Not a massive fan, but hey, the casting itself is pretty good. You have decals on the front, on the rear. So to me, it's pretty solid. Let's just get cracking. Here we go. Oh, it's been such a long time I haven't opened up a Hot Wheels. Here you go, the Porsche 964 Turbo Cab. Let me just zoom in here. Yeah. So, pretty good on the details. You have that tail light that is done pretty well. Very well, actually. It's done really well. The Hot Wheels logo here on the left, I don't mind it. Pretty cool to have that. You got a almost European-like plate, 964 Turbo. I don't mind that. It's cool. What they could have done was paint this in black, the top parts, because it is a air intake, which goes right into the engine. So, yeah, could have been in black, but hey, I don't blame them if it isn't. A lot of the paint here peeling off from this right here. Yeah, it's going all over the place. But the front, we have the Porsche logo done pretty well. The paint is not that bad, but it's not that Bordeaux. It's more of a purple. It's more purple Bordeaux. The rims, yeah, they looked fine in the box, but I think they look a little worse in person. But hey, if you want to swap some wheel riders on there, it will look absolutely fantastic. This car will look absolutely fantastic. I said I would stop buying main lines, but couldn't really pass on seeing this. Yeah, I mean the windshield's not very good. As you can see, it's a main line for, for crying out loud. It's a main line and it's done pretty well. One of my favorite mainline 964s is the 9. It is a 964, but it's kind of cheating because it's a 934 turbo RSR, I believe. Yeah, 934 turbo RSR, but it's based off a 964 kind of. This is basically my favorite casting from the 911 generation. I had the 992. The 992 is not that good, honestly. This is pretty good, and you can see the evolution of Hot Wheels. The main lines are getting better and better. Doesn't mean I'm buying more, but if I come upon this sort of car, it's really hard to reject it because it's fantastic. Like, for $1 in the US, you can get these for $1. There's no reason why you shouldn't be getting that for $1, unless you really don't want it. But for $1, absolutely solid. If you love the car, get it right now, because for $1, I mean, Hot Wheels, they basically dominate that section of the markets. One car I also like from the Hot Wheels mainline series Porsche is the GT3 RS 991. 991.1. So yeah, this casting I liked. It's pretty good. But hey, this 964 Turbo is pretty good. And we have some cardboards under because We also got the 787B. Should we unbox it? I don't know. I used to have this as a wheel on the wheel riders, the Racing Legend set. I had this. It was better. It had more decals. It had the engine bay that would come off and you could display it. However, the wing was rubber and here it is metal, so that's the difference. Honestly surprised they took this long to get this livery out. Same for the original Renown livery. Both these liveries should have came out earlier. We've basically seen the blue and the red one come out super early. In 2024, I believe. Yeah, it was really a long time ago. We had on the Hot Wheel premiums, we had the black one that came out not too long ago, and now this is the newest 787B, I guess. Yeah, pretty good. Unfortunately, the base is plastic, cause it is a main line. But I think I'm gonna keep these for another time. Not gonna unbox them right now. I really want to unbox this, but I do need to get a second one because I absolutely love this casting. It's one of my favorite castings from Hot Wheels. Honestly, probably the best mainline casting and colorway. It's not even my favorite car. It's not a car I particularly like, but it's a fucking amazing. Like, literally, it's absolutely fantastic. There is nothing better than this casting right here. I am trying to be as objective as possible, but yeah, it is subjective at the end of the day. But here it is, the 964 Turbo Cab. The pink is pretty bothering, but hey, you can paint it in black, which is what I'm gonna do right after this video. Paint the whole thing in black, and it will look better. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. This is the Porsche 964 Turbo Cab.